Maligayang pagdating sa Interact CX. Ito si John, paano kita matutulungan ngayon?
Welcome to Interact CX. This is John. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to file a new claim.
Maaari mo bang ibigay sa akin ang dahilan ng item at ang dahilan ng paghahabol?
Can you give me the reason for the item and the reason for the claim?
My laptop is not working without plugging in the charger.
Maaari ko bang malaman ng retailer kung saan mo binili ang produktong ito?
Can I find out the retailer where you bought this product?
My retailer is Walmart.
Maaari ko bang makuha ang iyong membership number na nauugnay sa account?
Can I get your membership number associated with the account?
My membership number is 94554.
Nakikita kong bumili ka ng laptop noong ika-25 ng Hunyo taong 2022. Tama ba yon?
I see you bought a laptop on June 25, 2022. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Sinusubukan ko lang kumuha ng ticket at ang iyong ticket number ay 1234.
Just take a ticket and your ticket number is 1234.
Matatanggap mo rin ang mga detalye ng claim sa iyong nakarehistrong email address.
You will also receive the claim details on your registered email address.
May iba pa ba akong maitutulong sa iyo?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Salamat, magandang araw.
Thank you, have a nice day.
Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.